Okay, in this tutorial we're going to look at the freeze panes option, okay, a feature in Excel. So at the moment, as you can see, we've got our product details, we've got our customer details page. They are consistent in terms of the layout of it, where the buttons are consistently at the top. Okay, but what we noticed that if we want to go down, as in if we've got a long list of customers and we want to go somewhere near the bottom, that top bar now disappears. So to get back up there, we have to scroll back up just to get to the top, to go back to another page, or let's just say if you want to go to the invoice, go to the invoice. Okay, the same way with the products page. If you want to get to the last product, you scroll all the way to the bottom. To go back to the other page, you scroll back to the top, and then you go to the other page. Okay, so this is where freeze panes can be very useful. So to freeze panes, firstly what we need to do is, what we want to highlight, everything above row 7, so the title of each column, the button and this heading, we need to stay consistently at the top. The only thing that should change are the customer IDs and their rows. Okay, so first thing, what we want to do is go to row 7. We don't want to, obviously we want to pause it from, or freeze it from row 6 and onwards, but row 6, basically if you highlight row 6, it's only going to freeze everything above it. So what we need to do is go to a row below it, so the heading gets involved as well. So once you've done that, highlighted the row 7, you're going to go to view, where it says freeze panes, you're just going to click on freeze pane. Okay, so now what you notice when you scroll down, okay, everything from row 6 and above stays the same, and then you can just scroll up and down without having to change that. And then you can change the products, same thing again, go to row 7, freeze panes, once again you can scroll up and down, change through pages, okay, and there you go. And that's a very good feature for freeze panes, which is very useful if you want the heading and the buttons to stay consistently at the top when you scroll up and down a page, especially when you've got thousands of these rows to look through.